Welcome back to Urmila Babu's kitchen. Today I am making prawn masala fried rice. I have already put some haldi in this. Now I am putting half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, 1.5 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Nicely mix and marinate for some time, at least half an hour to 1 hour. Put some curry leaves also. I am putting some coconut oil. Coconut oil put more, maybe 5 to 6 tablespoons of coconut oil is prawns. Now the prawn is cooked. I am going to put some cooked rice. You can add some salt and cook the rice. Even you can add some haldi also. So I will add little rice. I will see the masala is correct. Some pepper powder I am adding. It is little spicy less. That this tamarind I am adding.